Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, June 24th. It's around 8:20 in the morning. Just going to show you the morning charts of gold and the SP. In short, we're seeing some downward pressure. U.S. dollars moving up. We're seeing gold wanting to roll over here. And what it's doing is it's trading pretty much. It broke down below a resistance, our support level this morning, and now it's drifted back up. And now it's starting to roll over. Similar price action to what we saw yesterday. So it could follow the same suit and break yesterday's lows. I sent out an alert posting if yesterday's lows are broken, we want to just cover and get out and wait for another setup. So that's what I see for gold right now. If we take a look at the intraday chart of gold, this is a 60-minute chart. Pretty much what we have is the support trend line, and it was broken, and now gold's came up and is kissing that trend line goodbye and is rolling over. So if it breaks this low, we could see a pretty sharp drop. It could technically come down and test 1200 area again. So it could actually be a good short for a quick play if it does have a nice downdraft here. We'll have to see what's going on. It still seems to be having quite a bit of weakness, and if yesterday's low is broken, then I think we're going to see a very sharp drop. So that's what I want to protect ourselves there. As for the SP 500, it's had a very strong move down. It's trading. Let me just zoom out a bit here. This is the 2-hour chart. Pretty much it's trading right through the middle of all this noise. It's oversold. Everybody's becoming very bearish on the market again, and I think every time it's been this oversold, like it was the same readings we had down here where it moved a certain percentage wise in a certain amount of time, and market sentiment was indicating that we're going to get a shift. So we could get a little bit of choppy action today, and I feel as though we're going to have a bottom. If the jobs report comes out at 8:30 here and is really negative, it might actually really make a move down here, which isn't exactly what we want, but we'll have to play that by ear. If you got shaken out, or if your stop was triggered there this morning, because we did go long yesterday down here around the 1082 area, and then we saw this nice jump, and I said to take our money off the table because we bought in over here the previous day, so we took it off at break even or a small profit there, so that we were just left sitting with yesterday's buy signal. And if you set your stop, you would have been triggered out this morning. If you're still in it, I think today we're going to get today the market's going to try and shift. If the jobs news is really bad, then I think we're going to see another one of these downdrafts here kind of kick in. But really, the price is kind of wedging, and every time we get this wedge, which we had a few weeks back, it ended up popping and rallying quite a few percent. So we're getting wedged, and the market's oversold. Looks like we're ready for a bounce here in the next day or so. As for the market internals, they're relatively they're somewhat bearish, but they're kind of in the middle of their trading ranges. We've got the VIX pulled up and tested resistance yesterday. If we just pull it out here, we can see the VIX pulled up and it came right into that level, and it could just continue to grind lower, which means the market will go higher. As for the NYSE advanced decline line, is trading in the middle, so it could go either way. Nothing really there. The put call ratio, everybody is starting to get bearish again, very similar to what we saw a while back when the market was this. We saw this wedging action starting, and then once it broke down, we had the nice bottom in the SP. So I think we're getting close to that range. Everybody's getting more and more bearish, and I think it's on the edge of breaking here. As for the NYSE trend, which measures the positive negative money flow, these are the little island days down here where the market makes a move up. Pretty much we've had a whole bunch of days over this one mark, and it's just been a wave of selling, and we're due for one of these little island days, which will be a nice rally or relief rally. So that's what I think we're in line for, but we'll have to see what the job news is in about at 8:30 this morning, see whether the market reacts, but that could be enough just to flush the market out and for it to actually rebound. So that's what I see there, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.